Welcome back. Continuing the news. The Ministry of Education is currently doing a risk assessment to determine whether schools will reopen on September 7. Education Minister Carl Samuda made the disclosure at the Jamaica Teachers Association's 56th Annual Conference in St. James yesterday. Shamela Pullen reports.
On Wednesday, coronavirus cases reached a new high. There were 46 new cases, pushing the number of confirmed cases to 1,192. Of that number, there are now 336 active cases, while 772 people have recovered from the virus. The increasing numbers is of concern to the Ministry of Education. Minister Carl Samuda pointed to the safety of teachers and students. He says an assessment is currently underway and contingency plans being explored in the event face-to-face classes are not possible.
I know there are many teachers, many parents who are anxious to have the children back in a face-to-face classroom environment. But it is the responsibility of a responsible government to ensure that the safety of the teachers and the students take priority.
Around the world, countries are debating what to do about schools during the pandemic. In many countries, they have been shut, while others have reopened. But Mr. Samuda explains Jamaica is not in a position to take the risk like other countries.
We have seen where great and big and powerful countries are reeling from almost out of control expansion of the virus. The spread has been alarming. We all love this country too much. We all love our people too much to expose ourselves to anything of that kind.
However, Mr. Samuda says no decision will be taken without consulting with certain groups. This include the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, the National Parent Teacher Association, as well as students.
Throughout August, we will host a series of virtual town halls to engage our students directly. Because we have to get their view as well. We can't just keep planning for their future without them.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.